Ready for a lesson, Mike?
Huh?
Looks like you've moved about 10 scoops.
I just want to say I like my bucket, so let's keep it attached.
I mean, I haven't lost mine since. I never lost it. Never. I knew where it was at all times.
Well, that's good, you know.
I just had to retrieve it.
With a dual cable setup.
Yep.
You lose one.
It's fine.
So,
are you here to do a? Where'd you come from?
I don't know.
It's Loggerwade.
It's Loggerwade.
We found Loggerwade.
How's logging over there?
Same as here, really. Dying industry.
Dying industry. Would you like to do a review of this?
Yeah, we could do a will it start.
Will it start? We'll start with will it start. We're waiting on reinforcements.
It will start. It's will it run?
Oh yeah.
So over in the UK, they were Ruston Bucyrus.
Yep.
Over here, Bucyrus Erie. You know, so that was the tie-up. Rustons of Lincoln. You know, who invented and built the first tanks in World War One? Yeah, that's where they were built.
So how much boom is on yours?
56 feet.
I got 53 feet. I have 2 counterweights. They have an additional option on mine. And
I know that was an option for different applications.
I do know one thing. With the additional counterweight, it will not tip.
I've never had this one get tippy on me, to be honest with you.
Even with the boom like...
Well, I got the boom up to make my flagpole straight. I'll lower it down whenever we go to dig.
I normally run it at like a 40-degree angle or something like that. 45.
Yeah.
Oh, she's a beauty. Somebody repainted it the wrong colors.
History, that question.
So mine had 2 big plates welded right here where they had it on a barge. They were working on a bridge and they didn't want it to come off the barge, so they welded it to the barge.
See, this one used to have a cat in it, and the guy didn't like the Tony motor, so he put a Detroit in it. And that runs good. It just, I got to get a check valve up there. It's bad. The fuel bleeds off.
He said mine originally come with the gas motor in it, and then they got tired of it being the only gas machine on the job. The fuel guy got tired of toting gas over there to it, so they converted it to or put a Cummins in it.
It's a fun little toy to play with.
Oh, it's great. I mean, I love mine. I'll get over there and I'll dig 15, 20 scoops. Like, I've had enough. By the time you get in the groove, you set the camera up, then you look like a monkey on that thing again. It's like...
The guy we were dredging this one for, he wanted all the material hauled off, so we hauled like 7 or 8 truckloads out of here, and then I got tired of loading the truck, and I just started, I'll pick it up.
Oh, you've already loaded some out. So you've done more than this then?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, have you tried to load a truck with yours yet?
I have not, because the truck hasn't been home, and yeah.
That makes it even more interesting.
Frankly, mine's just not smooth enough to do anything too precise with me behind the sticks. But we'll see here in a minute when you're...
Aaron may agree with you with my loading abilities, but I never did hit the truck.
That's all that matters.
With the bucket.
All right, well, hopefully he'll get here with a battery and we can do the...
I got way too much cable on my drag.
If y'all could stand back, we've got a big deal coming through.
Well, a small
I've got so we're gonna be working on this machine right here.
Okay.
If you will maybe like to, you know, back up right here, you know,
right.
Mechanic 6 feet or less is all you can walk.
Straight in the water. Shit.
Go for it.
I got the red truck, I'll do it. This one here is mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
You're gonna have to walk home if you...
Chris, ask him what happened to his headlight.
What happened to your headlight?
Let's just say it works, doesn't it?
What happened to your bumper?
Well, let's just say a lowboy trailer will win.
Was that
And I was not driving this truck or the lowboy.
or...
But he parked this truck in the way.
I parked it right where it belongs. Who didn't pay attention? Who didn't do their 360
Somebody was
walk around?
deviating from the plan.
360 walk around. And I've got that in my safety policy. Anytime you get in the vehicle, you do a 360
Remember,
walk
Mechanic 6 feet or less, or you have to charge travel.
That's right. I'll be all right getting out without a hard hat on, won't I?
I think so.
All right.
But your head's hard enough.
I'll keep a lookout.
I'm gonna back up. Chris, if you don't mind, just go ahead and throw that battery in for me.
All right.
And then after that, I want you to fire it up and go ahead and show Mr. DP how to run it.
Not a problem. I'm just waiting on you.
All right.
That's the cute little battery you got for this thing. We got.
I'm tired of waiting.
We got it. Did you get the cutest little 4-wheeler battery you could find? We got like 10 spins or it's not going to start.
4 man, 4 ways.
Shouldn't he be at school?
Huh?
Shouldn't you be at school?
I thought you were going to take him to school.
Yeah,
Oh, you got.
I'm on a field trip today. Mom said it was all right.
Now you got to beat them on with a crescent wrench. Crescent wrench? Hammer?
No, nope. Can't
Listen,
use that. It's
listen.
a battery, you cannot do that. Safety rules.
Let me tell
Oh,
you
close your
something.
eyes for a minute.
Let me tell you something. Oh, we need a little juice.
Yeah, we have that.
You better hurry, you're gonna run out of spins. What'd you let off for it? Just start to glowing. Oh, we got it now. Maybe. There we go. You did good. That was perfect. Most people could just stand down there and spray it, but
Yeah.
you know.
Mom wouldn't help.
It does sound good. Ready for a lesson.
Let it warm up. You just put them on. They're not hooked up. They're just for looks.
For looks. You got it? I was about to say yours is a little different there. What is different about yours? Because the lower the boom, all I gotta do is just engage that and then push this down. Custom. There we go. Slow but steady. Is that Spanish moss?
Yes.
Okay.
We are going to be selling that on this bucket, so if anybody wants it.
We should probably get it before it gets wet.
Yeah.
Souvenirs.
Souvenirs, yes.
We're digging. We're digging. Oh God! Look! Oh God! Watch out! Pull ahead, you almost have it.
Every time. I guess we should be watching this. That 360 turnaround, 360 walk around, I forgot to do it.
A little farther, Daddy, you'll be in the clear. You know, hired help.
Yeah.
They don't get a lot done, but they sure are fun to watch.
That's the best bit about it.
Okay, Chris, I ain't making fun of Fords no more. Chevy got stuck.
Oh gosh, that's funny.
What was that?
What was that? Hey, I got out. I didn't need help. Did you guys see on the steering wheel? No, I didn't do my 360 walk around.
Mr. Safety Guy.
Yeah. Well, you told me I could give safety up for the day. We weren't doing nothing.
I'm gonna need to see your operating card.
I ain't got a driver's license.
Well, let's see what's different. What's leaking? Water.
Hey, Chris, this one does have a bucket on it.
Yeah, mine always had it, just one line.
I think it's the same. Swing, drag, force.
Boy, that's a little hard.
Where's the throttle at on this one?
like yours actually engaged.
Yeah, it'll stay engaged.
Mine didn't. So I was sitting there like, I had the drag engaged when I had the brake. I thought, why does it keep trying to come in? I was like, I got the
They're adjusted perfectly according to the odometer, so pretty close.
I mean, it's,
because it'll pan over, but you can still stop it with a brake.
yeah, well, I ran Matt's buddy Sam's up there at the show, and it's like, I got to get mine where they lock in. Because like mine, I have to sit there and it's different.
My brakes might be a little bit high.
Take a couple passes.
We are in the danger zone of being splattered on the first scoop.
Shit spattered.
What do you think of your first scoop there, buddy? You just got to remember everything.
I've never, ever driven a dragline before. Always wanted to. It's incredible. Seriously.
I've got like 4 hours on one.
Yeah.
You pick it up rather quickly once you get your hands and your feet together.
Yeah, that was just every single movement I did individually.
Yep.
That's a complete, complete. But you can see us, yeah.
Because everything's friction. As soon as you let off, you've got to hold the brake or everything's going to come down. Let's get another one. Do what?
Let's see you operate this again.
You got to get another scoop.
See you run this.
I was running it. I'll dig again.
How'd you pull that in then, Michael?
Are you done?
Yeah.
All right, push down on it till it locks. Did it lock? Hey, so the trick to these is you kind of got to do it like, hold on, I got to get up here. Like 3/4 of the way. All right, now. It's fine. Well, Mikey, we got, well, it's about a dump truck load now. We went and got about another 6 scoops there to finish out the day there, you know, 1 load a day.
Some high quality material.
That's, you know, that's some good mud right there. You can probably sell that for some good topsoil there.
That's
rock.
Aaron booby trap.
Bear and booby trap. It worked good. It did
Wasn't
great.
that the safety guy that made this big
Aaron, I think you can make it through there now, bud.
You want me to try?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Go for it. 20 bucks.
Hey, I guarantee you that won't put a dent in the bumper like a lowboy trailer. It'll just push it.
Coming from the guy that has every panel on his truck beat up.
That's what happens when you let him run equipment by your personal
Did you
truck.
say wood and metal attract, right?
Yeah, I didn't think they'd magnetize, but they do.
They do.
Yeah, I got stuck in between 2 trees. It's not good.
Actually, hit the same tree twice, just
Yes, I
going and
did.
coming.
Good things always happen twice, right?
Yeah, that's right.
All right. Well, that was fun. Get to try his. It's pretty much like mine.
It's, I mean,
The levers.
You got the same machine, but it's curious. It's crazy.
Mine's a
how
little older.
different they are.
Yeah, it is the difference. But you
The
said
old
yours
ones-
was in the 60s.
Yeah.
Tell me something I don't know.
I noticed he got a lot better on that thing today
Yeah.
after he watched you. And
It's just funny how it worked, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, very good teacher today, Chris.
I mean, he was straight. I had to go over there and tell him. I was like, you keep that up, we're going to be fishing a bucket out of the pond.
I mean, I'm proud of you, but I am really proud of you for listening to somebody.
Pat. Everybody give him a pat on the back.
But I ain't gonna say who showed you all up.
The most
I'm not gonna
amazing
mention no
thing is
names
we
on
all
that.
took a turn running it, and it's still in operating order. No hydraulic leaks.
None.
None, huh?
None.
Wow.
All right. Till next time. Wade, did you make those shorts? Did you make those shorts? We just wanted to make sure you were still around.
Yeah.
Everything doing good?
This is what's left of Loggerwade.
What's left? We're scraping up the pieces. I'll go get the duct tape.
What's up, buddy?
30-second tour of Blackie here real quick.
Okay, yeah.
It's back on the road.
Yes.
It was in pieces.
Not totally finished, but it's getting there.
It was in pieces last time I saw it.
Yeah. It's at least in one piece.
We got the clearing bumper now.
Yeah, and I gotta do, so this hood didn't come out properly, so I gotta do some trim work there.
A little trim work.
But the bumper still saws it there was.
They sell
I've
flat.
tested it, I've rammed a couple things with it already.
They sell flashing every day. We can fill in the joints with that.
And that ain't done. I gotta do some trim work there.
Baby steps. Oh, look at there. Why wasn't it this nice when I had to ride in it?
Well, I wanted to get that all the way before I fixed it up.
Gotcha. Last time I rode in this, it was like, I hope we make it back.
It wasn't that
No,
bad.
you had to pull over and fix some wires one time. It cut off.
Or the blue one.
Yeah, the blue wire.
We got a new blue wire on it.
It's direct plug now.
New.
That you can't ask for more.
Well,
Nice,
that was good.
nice dash there in it. What type of wood grain console do we have now?
Now, in spirit of the way I normally do things, the truck now is built out of like 5 or 6 different trucks now. So,
Combination vehicle.
yeah, and you'll never see on 90 model 9400, you'll never see $9,900 breathers on it.
$9,900 breather? Or what?
$9,900 breathers.
Oh, okay.
And then the hood was a 9300. So
Made to
we
fit.
married everything together. It sucked. It didn't work at all.
Shocking. Hey, Mikey, his trailer looks like it's got all the decking and it's ready to go. Oh, we need trailer decking.
This down there, there's my locust. I'm proud of.
Oh, that looks
We
good
looked it
there.
up in hardness, and it's the same hardness as Apatong.
It's supposed to be like, and it's rot resistant and everything, correct?
Better,
Better.
because it's from, and it's not from Brazil.
Fun facts with
People
Wade.
from Brazil watch this, I'm sorry.
I like it.
I'm just glad I have it back.
Does it sound good now?
Sounds good. It's a lot smoother.
Are you allowed to have straight pipes in London? Are you?
Yeah, you don't need to worry about that.
Okay. Watch this.